I've had experiences where people come in and they get the role for one thing, but in talking to them, I see that they could do this other thing. When you get to know somebody a little bit, you see other possibilities, and then when something comes up, you know they could do that too, which is quite a bit different than the other thing. Are they that character? Can they be that character from a deep place within? And that's the one you want. Because it's all common sense, you say, I want to get the right person for the part. That makes sense, doesn't it? So you can't just pick anybody. You want the right person. So you need to look at pictures, explain what you saw in your mind, the look of the actor you want, and then you explain the way the actor is in some things, and then people will help you find pictures of actors, and then I go by their face and then watching them talk about anything, and watching them and listening to them, I can tell if they will make it through the film, if they're the right one. And sometimes someone comes in for one part, I hear them talk and walk and, look, and they're right for another thing. So you watch their face and listen to them, and you can tell if that person is the one that can make it through the film. And you find that one that does make it through, and all the scenes and you're playing in your mind, then that's the right one. You're watching them and listening to them talk, and you're seeing their face, and you're running them through scene one they have to play. Oh yeah, he could do that scene. Then he could do he could do that scene too. Yeah, he would be great for that scene too. And you're running them through the film. This is your guy.
That's the night my sweet daddy died.
I know.
And she's a great soul. When you get to know someone, in the case of Laura Dern, working with her on Blue Velvet as Sandy, Sandy gave a certain feeling, but then getting to know Laura Dern, I see that Lula can be there as well. Lula is there in her. And going even further, in Twin Peaks: The Return, I see that Diane is in her, which is really almost like a grown-up Sandy. So you get to know someone, you see all these different things, possibilities, and the talent to realize them.
First thing I need is to get into her apartment and open a window that I can crawl into later.
How are you gonna do that?
Right out in the car, I happen to have some old overalls and a bug spraying rig. I will go to her apartment. I will be the pest control man. I will spray her apartment. After a few minutes, you will knock on the door, drawing her attention away from me, at which time I will then jimmy the window.
And what am I supposed to say when she comes to the door?
You will be a Jehovah's Witness. I have some Awake magazines for you. I don't need very much time, just a few seconds. What do you think?
I mean, it sounds like a good daydream, but actually doing it's too weird. It's too dangerous.
Let's just
I feel as if Kyle's family, and we have developed a kind of a way, not a lot of talking based on looks and hand signals and just quiet moments standing together. Then he knows what to do. He didn't surprise me. He surprised a lot of people, but I knew Kyle's a great actor. He's a born actor, and he's got all those different things in him. I always say, you know, a great actor, they've got a bad person in them. And for, like, I say, Kyle found his bad person, but it's a different than Frank Booth, you know, Dennis Hopper's bad person. But it's his bad person. It's like Frank Booth is Dennis's one. And you find that thing. You find Dougie Jones in Kyle, and you find Cooper in Kyle. So, you know, it's just, they're all in there. And the only thing you really do is just help them bring it out to the fullest. Shirley was cast first from a still photo and then an interview, and she was only going to play a dead girl. I told her I wanted to dip her in gray dye, and she said that would be okay, and that she'd be dead by the shore, wrapped in plastic. And then there was this picnic scene that had to be shot, and she's with Laura Flynn Boyle, who's, you know, was, you know, a bona fide great actress. And she just held her own as natural as can be, absolutely perfect Laura Palmer alive. And it just was a shame that she had to be dead. And one thing led to another, and she's lived on.